Hi, I will be demonstrating the use case acceptance criteria of our most recent sprint, and for each one of the three use cases that we have included within this sprint for our group. The first use case that we've included is learning how to integrate the community pages into Salesforce. By this, we are trying to meet the acceptance criteria of each of our team members being capable of creating community pages in Salesforce, utilizing all the features within each community page, and have a general understanding of the process of generating each community page. In order to meet this acceptance criteria, we have had each of our group members go through the Community Builder tutorial, as well as discuss with one another to make sure that we have a full understanding of how to create community pages within Salesforce. And we have met this acceptance criteria for this use case. The next use case that we have decided to work on in this sprint is to make record food recovery available through Community. We have successfully done this by meeting the acceptance criteria of creating a community page here, which contains the weekly donations object. Additionally, within the object, there is the functionality to create new weekly donations within this object, as I'm demonstrating here. Success. Next, we have demonstrated the use case make food distribution available through Community. Here we have done similar thing. You can see we have our most recent weekly distributions. So our community page contains the weekly distributions object. We've also demonstrated that we can create new weekly distributions with the functionality that exists within this weekly distributions object on the community page, as you see here. Therefore, we have met all the acceptance criteria for the three use cases that we have within our sprint.